Hello everyone. I'm having this iPad. It's an old version, iPad4. The problem of it is if the battery exhausted. So if I plug in my charger, it will start, but it just stopped, and then you do the charging again and then stop. It's just turning a circle. Then now you can see, there's a little bit of charging. When it got a little bit of battery power, it start to restart, but eventually it doesn't have enough battery to finish the restart. So, and then it come back to the cycle to become restart and restart and restart again. So yeah, that's why I'm thinking the battery got a problem. So next I will just try to get this replacement battery into the iPad4 and we'll see how it goes. I got the battery kit. That's the pack. I'll place this under the sun for 20 minutes. It's seasoned hot. Okay. Okay, finally got that open. Actual display. We'll just double check the video online, see how that works. Okay, apparently I need to start to apply this battery up, and then this need to slide underneath. Okay, there you go. So, successfully got this out. Let's get the new one in, see how it works. Underneath there's a hole underneath, so something I should the battery actually already connect to the motherboard, so what I need to do is try to turn it on. Okay, did you see the logo? Very exciting. I think it's going to work, since the logo has stayed for a little bit up already. Here we go. We got it back. That's great. Okay. So what I need to do, cast right here. Interesting. To do this. Okay, turn it off. So all I need to do is put the whole thing back. Then we have a new iPad 3 in operation. How exciting is that? Yeah, this iPad actually is given to my dad, and then he have been using it for a couple of years. My mom used it a couple of years, and then they mainly, because of this is quite slow, they stopped using it after that. So they just chuck it into the drawer, and then without realizing there was an iPad still dangling around. When I came back to visit them, I said, oh, I might just have the iPad and have a look from my end, see if I can actually fix it. Anyhow, so basically you just open the top, the cover of the screen, and then unscrew the 4th screw, and then there's a 1 screw in the middle connecting to the battery of this thing. So you just unscrew that and then pry off the battery. You can see a bit of the information about the battery if you are curious. So it's 11,500 mAh, main China, A1389, 4.2 charging, and then 3.7 volt voltage output, I believe. There's a fair bit of It's in here. Oh, I actually forgot to remove the upper part of the cover for the new one, but never mind. I don't think there's any problem of that. But iPad Revive has arrived, and then it has a second life now. To recap, that is open the upper screen by applying. That's half of the job. You actually need a loft tool to heat it up and then slide off the cover. Then what you really don't need is to unscrew the other things, but just screw the 4 screws for the inner screen, and then 1 screw for the battery, and then you can lift the motherboard up slightly, and then just there's in here, if you look at, can zoom in a bit. In here you can see there's a hole, and then this actually sits under there. Then what you need to do is lift up the motherboard on this side, and then so that you can slide under this part, and then there's a hole you need to line up, and then just hook this little ring into the hole. That's all you need to do, without doing all the kind of removal of the motherboard and all that. Cool. And then thanks for watching. So this is not instruction, but it's just experimental. I hope you get some idea. If you got any better advice, leave your comment. Yeah, how that other people can see it and then benefit them if they have the similar situation. Cool. Thanks for watching.